Right, okay, so we've got a set of Callaway Apex Pro forged. They're a couple of years old, and the customer has asked me to increase the swing weight. So the swing weight needs to go up from D1 to D3. So I've had to take all the heads off, get them all ready, get them all prepped, and each one's got a new tip weight in. So to get them up to D3, this is for 5 iron, and we've got an 8 gram tip weight to put in that one. So we'll go ahead and get this mixed. So mix the glue, got a whole set to do, so a couple of squeezes on that. Pop that back. So we'll give this a really good mix. So this has got a, it's not a fast curing glue, because I'm doing a whole set. I want something that's going to not go off too fast, so I get a chance to build them without the glue going off. So this takes sort of 12 to 24 hours to set properly, so I'm going to leave them overnight. So I give that a really good mix. Going to add in some glass beads. Glass beads just helps for set, helps the shaft get centered. The glue goes a tiny bit harder, I think. Just something I put in the glue. So we give that a really good mix. So you see it's really, consistency's not going to change because it's long lasting. But give that a really good mix. All the glass beads are in there now. And there we go, and as I said before, with everything to do with using epoxy, little is more, so don't use too much. So we are going to put a little bit inside the head. Should still be able to see the bottom of the hosel, so there's not too much. Tiny bit on the end. And a bit on the weight chip. So the weight chip's going in. Pop that on. Wipe the excess glue. Give it a bit of a tap. Make sure it's all lined up. And we'll pop it up here to dry. There we go, so that's the first one. So we'll go on to the, so I keep on sniffing, I've got a bit of a cold. So we go on to the 6 iron. Got the new tip weight, which is a 10 gram tip weight. Put the glue in, a little bit on the end of the shaft, got the tip weight, pop that all in, pop that all together. Always best to get the glue off before it sets, and it's easier to clean it afterwards. Alright, we've got 7 iron now. 9 gram tip weight. There's a bit of glue in there. A little bit of glue on the end. Get on the tip weight. Pop it all in, try and get glue all over yourself. Pop that in there. Wipe away the excess. Right, on to A-time. We have 9.5 grams on this one. Put the glue on the tip. Right, on to the 9 iron. We have 5 gram tip weight on this one. I think I've done too much glue. I didn't need 2 squeegees. There goes the last one, 9 iron, and we have 6 gram tip weight to go on this one. I've obviously pre-swung it, I've dry weighted them already, so don't think I'm guessing. I've already put them on the swing weight scale. Well, there we go. Just got to wait overnight and they'll be ready to finish off the fells.